Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if you are new here, and tonight we're going to do a cleaning motivation. It is Friday night, it's 9 o'clock, and for whatever reason I feel really inspired to film and clean the house, so I figured why not? Let's just go ahead and film it. I haven't done one of these videos in quite some time. I feel like I'm starting off every video like that, but yeah, it's been a while, so I hope you guys enjoy. I know this is the content that kind of like got me started with YouTube, so hope you enjoy the cleaning motivation. Let's go ahead and get started.
Captured in a photograph. Remember how we used to sit in the vines? Yeah, oh, and I can hear you laugh it off. You always said mistakes I left in the past. But no, I know enough to see the blow on us, we're over sooner than we're gone. And sometimes I think about it all night, staring to the street lights, wonder where we'd be if nothing would have changed, if we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame. Would we hold our ground if nothing would have changed? Would you take my name, stay here through the rain? Would we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Drawing from another time, brick walls of paint that spells out your name. Yeah. You said you had to change your heart, that Albany just left you all the same. I could see enough to know you're better off, but sometimes it hits you when it's gone. And all night I stare into that same light, reinventing our life. I wonder where we'd be if nothing would have changed, if we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame. Would we hold our ground if nothing would have changed? Would you take my name, stay here through the rain? Would we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? One and on the other side, parallel to our life, dreaming of a place to hide and find you in another time. Up it comes and down it goes, seeds will die before they grow. If nothing would have changed, if we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame, would we hold our ground? If nothing would have changed, would you take my name, stay here through the rain? Would we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Captured in a photograph. Do you remember how we used to sit in the vines?
Okay, guys, I need to talk to you about this stuff. I feel like a lot of bloggers have been talking about it recently on Instagram, so I bought it. And the jury is still out. There is a pic, it's called I Hate Stains Co. Miss Mouth's Messy Easter. I can't talk though. Okay. It's called the Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater. Cute little name, cute little bottle. Here's my issue. There is a little carrot on it, and I have a carrot stain from when Ellie just started eating food this past week, and it didn't come off. Maybe you can't quite see it, but it's like all over the rim or the collar. it's just everywhere. I quickly learned after this that you need to feed a baby in a diaper because it's just gonna ruin her clothes. But I love this onesie. Granted, she was about to grow out of it, so like I should be able to get over it, but for whatever reason I can't get over it. But I saw the demo of people using this on Instagram, and I feel like it was like too good to be true, but like good to be true because I saw it work. But here I am spraying it on the carrots. Advertises that it gets out carrots, and it's not taking out the carrots. So I don't know. I'm going to pour a little bit of this Clorox Color Load bleach on it and throw it in with this load of towels and just see what happens. I'll let you know. But yeah, I don't know. Then again, I did use this actually tonight. I had red sauce and it splattered on these white leggings, and I just took a little of this and I put it on the stain, and it did take it out maybe like 90%. Like I do still see like a slight hue of red on my leggings, but it worked pretty good. I don't know, like I tried using this right when it happened, right when the stain happened, and it didn't work. So I've been trying to reapply it and it's just not working. Also, this little thing was like $8, and like it's already down to here probably from me like going to town on this thing. So I don't know, I'm not sure about this. I'll let you know what I think. But right now I'm kind of like meh on it. I feel like it's a little like, I don't know, a little overpriced and it's not working. If it worked, I would have no problem paying $8 for like 2 ounces, but it doesn't work, so I'll let you know.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down.
Guys, our bedroom needs some help. I feel like it just looks so blank. It is totally missing something. Let me know if you think we should get a headboard or if I should just do something on the wall. Obviously something needs to go on the wall up there. I just don't know what. It's so hard to like see what's good because there's so much stuff in here. But we just got this dresser not too long ago and I love it. It's working out really nice for us. We really needed some extra storage. Let me take all this crap off here that's not supposed to be on here. But yes, we really are enjoying this dresser. We really needed the storage. All of our stuff is in this closet. One of the extra rooms used to be my closet, but then we just decided to make that my husband's office once the pandemic hit. So I got rid of a ton of stuff. Unfortunately, I didn't document any of that. I just got rid of so much stuff. If you guys followed me for a while, in my home that I owned, I had my own walk-in closet. So I feel like when you have the space, you fill it, and I had, you know, what I was content with at the time, and I was working, so I had a lot of outfits for work. Now I'm home with Ellie, so I don't know, my life is just a bit different. Anyway, I'm going on a tangent. I have just a few things to pick up in here. I'm gonna make the bed, not like fully make the bed because it is like 11 o'clock at night at this point, but I'm just gonna clean up and do my best to tidy the bathroom. I do want to do a video on like making a couple little upgrades to this bathroom. Steven did a good job. He put down this new flooring, he replaced the vanity and the mirror and the light fixture, but I want to get rid of this metal thing. I don't like it. It's like a temporary solution, and like all the stuff in that basket has been there for literally like 18 months. Like maybe not 18 months. I mean, I don't know, at least 12 to 18 months. I need to go through that. I need to organize this better. That does not need to be on display. That needs to go in a cabinet somewhere. So yes, I'm gonna tidy that up, but like more to come on like this whole situation. Yes, so let me go ahead and tidy up our bedroom quick before bed.
When they hit the ground, I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away.
I feel like I'm starting to look really tired because I am, but I'm just going to sweep up the floors quick, and I wanted to show you guys this dustpan and broom. very exciting, I know. But it's awesome. I'll link it down below. It is by OXO, Good Grips, and it's just the best. It clicks together so it just stays nice and tidy. But look at the little teeth on this thing. So basically, obviously, sweep, and then the broom goes through the little teeth, and then it gets the dust bunny, catches it, and puts it in there. I love it. It's awesome. It's very affordable, and I'll link it down below. I really, really like it.
You and me, let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running.
Okay, watch this. There's some dust on the bottom of it. You can, hopefully you can see that. It goes through here. And then it catches it, and it's in there. Isn't that so cool? I think that this is so cool. I love it.
A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now.
Update, I just took this out of the wash. It's still wet. The stains completely came out except for that one tiny, it's gonna focus, one tiny little spot. But you know what? I don't think it was that Mrs. Mouth stuff. I think it was the bleach that I poured on it. I think it was this. So this over this. That's my assessment for at least right now. Do you guys see what time it is? It is midnight on Friday. What the heck am I doing? I kind of dilly-dallied. It should not have taken that long. I kept taking breaks. I was getting distracted on my phone. But you know what? I feel like I deserve at least like a bronze medal because this place looks pretty freaking good. Like, for a Friday night little quick clean session. Our house is not perfect. My expectations have lowered quite a bit since having a child. There's just always going to be something out, and that's totally okay. I love her little things. They make her happy, so they make me happy. So this stuff just stays here. We don't have anywhere else to put it. And then this stuff will go in her room tomorrow when she wakes up. But yeah, just did a quick little tidy going into the weekend. Our room looks just kind of okay. This looks decent, I guess. Our hamper situation, we need to figure this out. Our hamper's right here. Steven's, Vanessa's, and I have to like crawl over it to get to bed. So I don't love that, but that's just what we're working with for now. I want to redo these doors. We got to redo the trim on that. As you can see, we don't have a bathroom door. We're gonna do a barn door right here. We just haven't gotten to that yet. As you can see, I haven't dealt with this whole situation, but honestly, I didn't feel like it. I didn't clean this bathroom because I cleaned it like 2 days ago and it's totally fine. What else? I'm out of breath. Why am I out of breath? You guys remember these two? Oh, I thought Rosie was just in here. Where'd she go? I don't know where she went. Minnie is fast asleep. The kitchen is good. Got it all cleaned up. This is nice and clean. I use that power wash on here. I haven't done that before. We definitely need to put like that treatment on and use like the little razor knife thing, but I didn't feel like doing that tonight, so that's good enough. Just got off the dirt. So got this drying till tomorrow. I'll put Ellie's clothes away tomorrow when she wakes up. This just stays here because I can't really reach very well up there. That's fine. And then we have Ellie's little toys drying over here out of the washing machine. I just let them dry on here overnight and then I'll put them away in her room tomorrow. And what else? Oh yeah, the bathroom. I actually also cleaned this bathroom like 2 days ago too, but this is our only like main bathroom, so it gets used a lot obviously, so there was just some splash marks that I wanted to clean. So just did a very quick little wipe down of this bathroom, and I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. Let me know down in the comments if you like my cleaning content, if you want it to continue on my channel. I'm happy to do it. I probably will continue to do it. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.